Adding a puppy to your family is exciting. There are so many tools to help you make your puppy feel welcome in their new home while making the training process easier on you. Housebreaking can be one of the tougher lessons to teach, but training pads protect your floor and can make the chore of housebreaking your puppy a lot easier. Here are a few of the benefits of those Amazon Basics pads. These pads are specifically designed with a built-in attractant that has a scent that appeals to your dog's sense of smell, which draws them to using the pad and helps to eliminate the odor in your home. The Amazon Basics training pads have 5 layers. Each layer has a different benefit and provides a leak-proof experience. The first layer is quilted and prevents streaming off of the pad, creates a quick dry surface, reduces odor, and prevents dogs from tracking on the floor. The sponge core layer turns the liquid into gel and allows for maximum absorption. The locking layer and the plastic lining prevents leaks and protects your floor. Whether you are training a puppy, have a sick or aging dog, travel with your dog, or have limited outdoor space, training pads have a lot of benefits and will make your dog feel more comfortable and make it easier for you to pick up.
I adore Lily. She is just so much part of the family, and she's obviously the inspiration for everything that I've done at Lily's Kitchen. The story started when she got very ill. Lily had a very bad skin condition, and I thought it must be something to do with the food I'm feeding her. And that's when I started cooking for her with the vegetables that I grow. And within a couple of weeks, her skin cleared up, and I just thought, gosh, there must be a pet food that I can feed to my dog every day that's made with really great ingredients that are nutritious and wholesome. And there wasn't. There really wasn't anything like that. And I just thought, I'm going to have to do something about it. They give us so much joy and happiness, and cats and dogs deserve a proper meal. And that's how Lily's Kitchen was born. Mwah.
As good owners, we only want the best for our dogs. That applies to every aspect of their well-being. From their mood to their physical health, we know how important it is to have our pets looking and feeling their best.
Itchy skin in dogs nowadays is really common, especially when you consider the modern lifestyles that dogs lead. So before you can get on top of any skin condition, you really need to understand what the underlying cause is.
Itchy skin may be triggered by all sorts of things, from the food a dog eats, to pollen and dust, to fleas and ticks. And if your dog has sensitive skin, apart from excessive scratching, you might find it chewing its paw or licking an area excessively.
There's actually lots of things that an owner can do to help. Things such as putting them on a good quality diet, making sure that their parasite control is up to date, parasites such as fleas. But also, if they've been out for a walk, wipe them down with a damp cloth to remove any allergens such as pollens. And you might want to consider using a supplement such as Omega that contains omega-3 and 6 oils, which is made from natural ingredients.
Lots of things you can do then to keep your dog's coat and skin in tip-top condition.